Hi, this is Marcia. This is part 2 for online resources to differentiate instruction. Hi, everybody. Thanks for joining again. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be looking at another online tool. We just got done learning about Napkin. Hopefully, you took time to go explore that. And now we're going to move on to Perplexity. All right, let's take a look at the overview of Perplexity. Perplexity takes a big giant concept and breaks it down for the students. Yep, it chunks it to help them understand key vocabulary words, to help them just get the key information that they need to be successful in class. It provides videos, images, and so much more. What I like about Perplexity is it is currently free, and it's better than having the students do a Google search because it will simplify it right away for the students. Now let's take a look at how I set this up. The very first thing I do is I go in and I look for my standard. I'm going to go in and I'm going to copy my standard, and today I'm going to be doing mitosis and meiosis. And so I'm going to copy my standard and I'm going to put it right into Perplexity. So once I put it into Perplexity, I'm going to get that same content that you're going to be teaching in class, but simplified. So here we go. I'm going to go in, and it's going to give me an introduction for that content. One way to really help all learners, and especially ELL, is to give them kind of like a brief overview before you dive deeper into the content. So what I like is it gives me definitions, it gives me websites where I can find those resources and links up above. And then also over the side, it's going to give me videos that the students can instantly watch to get an understanding of the content before you dive deeper into it. The next thing I did was I'm like, okay, let's explain it as if I'm a fifth grader. So that's what I put into the bottom search box because I want to break it down. I don't need it to explain like I'm 5 years old, and I don't need it to be explained at a college level. I just need some information really easy to digest. So I put in, act like you're a fifth grader. And it gave me really great new videos and visuals to see. The next thing I said was, what are the key vocabulary words for mitosis? So again, I'm just creating and showcasing what you can do. If you're looking for a matching activity, here's a word, the definition, copy and paste it into a Google Doc and create little cards that the students can use. I even took it one step further, and there's a way that you can set up little search boxes or activities for the students where you could just go in and click and say, when the students go here, they click on the button, so it's going to go in to talk about that standard right away. It's so easy to use. It's a great resource, and again, Perplexity is free.